What's up, guys? My name is Philemon Shep. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys, right? So, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to make 850 with Clickbank commission with this one secret, right? So, what's the secret that is made that you can make $850 from, right? So, the secret that is, and actually people already know this, but they don't use it the right way. It's launch joking, right? Launch joking a product. So basically, what it is, uh, I'm trying to draw a rocket. I'm bad at it, right? So, uh, launch joking basically is you take products that are about to launch and then you like promote them, and then on the day they release or the owner release the product, you get commissions, right? So. Let me show you examples of launch jogging, right, on my YouTube channel because I did two. They're pretty good. I did Digital Worth Academy review. This is like the overview video, right? Because 40 views plus 4 months ago, right? So what does this mean, right? So basically, the product came out, and then I did a review on it, and then say, hey, if you wanna check it out, come click the link in the description and go check it out. And people are gonna buy it because they saw it from me, right? So basically, because they already had it before, and they're gonna be like, hey, what's this product? What's this product that I hear it's trending? Let me go search it on YouTube, right? So the people used to do, they used to do this, right? So they go to Udemy solo ads, right? So they go to Udemy solo ads, right? Because they want to buy, and they try to buy solo ads, and they try to buy. So when they buy solo ads from there, they try to promote through solo ads, right? Without you understanding that you have a small list, right? If you're starting out, you don't pretty much have a list at all, right? And you can actually do this without a list. I did this without no list, right? Of subscribers, of emails, right? So places you can go to, I don't know, places you can go to is you can go to Manjai. That's a good place also. I like to use JV Notify Pro where I am right now. So you go to here, you make your own account. I made my account, put them on, right? So and then you check the products that are trending, right, and the date that they are gonna launch, right? So for example, this one is gonna say it's gonna launch on the 20th of November, right? So, and then you check, okay, I mean, that's already passed. So, of course, today is the 20th of December of the time of the recording of this video. So, and you want to look at the product which ones are written hot, right? If the product is written hot, then it's pretty good, right? Or if you know the owner who's promoting it, because some people used to are very good at it, so like they're professional, so the product will be good. Like for example, the time I also promoted Annex Singles product, it was not that hot, but then it was powerful in the end because it was Annex Singal, he was a powerful person, right? So I got to some pretty good, because I was giving a free book, so I got some pretty good sales there. Anyways, so you go here, you check out, it has 198. If it has over like 200, like 200 raw and something like that, it's I like to go for 300 and up. Like 300 and up is like a pretty good product, right? So this one is 144 unique and 198 raw, right? So these are the clicks that are clicking on this page, right? This page, right? So you like to go into all these projects. Let me show you, like, this is also a hot product. And you see, like this one, if it was the 26th of November, you could have signed up, you could have gone there, right? So, let me just give you an example actually. So basically, you uh, is if it's 500 raw and 300 unique, you wanna go there. The thing I like about JD Zoo, they tell you the process of how you're going to get paid, or where the product is going to be held, and how you're going to get paid is through JD Zoo, right? So, and then the niche is the international, internet business and marketing, right? So that's pretty good. So it just shows you everything, right? So you close them, you just look at them, you just look at the different products, right? Like here, right? So you close, you look at different products. And let me show you a product that you must not promote, right? Like for example, that's also bad, but let me show you a product that you must not promote, right? When you're starting out, because people tend to promote products just because they want to, like this one. Don't promote. I don't know who's this. I'm sorry, but if it's a 78 raw, I mean unique, if it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Right, and you want to start at the beginning of the month. That's when things are actually nice, right? So this product you clicked on earlier, I mean, I know that you did already passed. I'm just showing you because it has nice numbers. It has nice numbers. It was a nice product to promote, right? So you click on, so you go to the page. He tells you everything you need to know. She's gonna get, uh, she tells you everything you need to know, where to go get the link, and then you sign up, right, for the JV thing. And the thing is, and the thing that actually helps the people, that makes the people money, especially people with no list, is creating a review video on it on YouTube. So basically, first of all, let's go here, right? So first of all, go to JVZoo and find a product. Find, okay, right? Find a good product to promote. Right? Which one I find a good product to promote? Check. I mean, if you're on JVZoo, right? So then you go like, oh, check out uh, the review page, right? So you can see how the person is and everything like that, right? Goes, and they ask him to sign up. I mean, log in for some reason, right? So anyways, so and then the thing is, right? So you should get all these programs, and then you click the page, the JV page, right? So 156. I will go for this. Don't really recommend it if you're a newbie and just starting out. Only because I know these people and they're pretty also good. So right, so these are products you see 34 and 44 and 35 really. Right, so I'm pretty sure now you get the hang of it of which products to promote and which ones to not promote, right? So like for example, this product, on the 26th of December, right? If you go on the page, so on the 26th of December, it's gonna tell you everything that you need to know. It's the day of the launch, right? It's the day of the launch, right? So and then what you wanna do is you create a review video 2 days, I mean 2 weeks before, uh, like for example here, and saying, hey, check out. Sorry, I don't know why if I say thing up, but I say, hey, check out this great product. I think you must check it out. It's really nice and things like that. You're creating a review video. So basically, you say, sign up for my sign up right now for leads, and basically, sign up right now or something like that, and then I will notify you when the product comes on, right? And then people sign up through your link on YouTube, right? And then like for this, for example, here, right? And then the day you're going to promote the product, the day of the launch, it's when you include your bonuses, right? So let me give, let me just say this one because I also promoted it, right? So here, annexing, annexing, escape review, full switching, escape review. And the good thing is, you see, Annex Single has all these people searching him. So Annex Single has 5,400 people who are searching it per month, right? So pretty much he's a good guy. I mean, a good marketer, right? And if you're wondering, where I found this, it's on this site called VidIQ, tells you everything, right? So you can go here, escape review, something like that. Right. So, and then you want to create the day of the launch, you create a video of the bonus, right? Of the bonus, like, hey, check out this great product. I think it's good. You're right. You give a review of the product. You can, the good thing is you can email these people and say, hey, It is okay if you give me the demo of your product so I can also review it because I want to review it, right? Because we don't have a big email list. So the best thing we can do and we can get away with it is basically right. So right here, right? Exactly. People are giving you like plus bonuses, right? Plus bonuses and things like that. Like this is really my mentor. So it's giving you review any right. So it's like, hey, get buy my book and get this three something something, right? Or something like that, right? So basically, you create a video like this and say, hey, get this product, and plus my free bonuses, right? And what I did when I promoted the other product, what I did, I had a free book at the time called Your First Dollar of Affiliate Marketing, right? So I gave that book away and say, hey, if you buy through my link, I'll give you all these bonuses, right? So it's like your first. So I gave away a book. So don't worry if you don't have any bonuses. I mean, you can even give away constant a call, like a free call, and say, hey, if you buy my book, I'll have a free call with you and explain to you more about the product and things like that, right? So that's what I did. I gave away a book and I gave away a free call, and also let them in my free Facebook group, right? So those are the three bonuses that they are getting, right? So you tell them, hey, you should buy my book, right? So let me just, right? You can copy down this if you want, like, for like when you want to do run checking, right? So the third thing is, right? Create a over overview video. Fourth thing is, right? To create. And actually, while you're creating the overview video, or you're creating, like, for example, let me show you here, right? He tells you when the launch is, like, this launch is in 18 hours. Wow. Right? So he will tell you everything, what you need, the prices and everything, right? Like special lunch period offer, and then he's gonna give you all this, and he'll say, hey, it only stay up until this day and this day, so the lunch is gonna go on from this day until this day, so you better go act up right now before the video, I mean before the lunch goes off, right? And then that's what they do, right? So they give you all these things like, hey, it's gonna go from here to here, so hurry up before it goes on, right? So and then, right? So and then you wanna go to your Google calendars, right? So you wanna go to your Google calendars, right? And then basically, uh, and say for example the launch is starting on Monday, 24th of January, right? So for example at 1 p.m. So you wanna go on your Google calendars at 1 p.m. the launch starts. So you say launch of A to Z, A to Z, A to Z starts, right? Starts. Right. So and then there is one that you wanna promote heavily your YouTube video and get more people to your YouTube video. How? By going to Facebook groups and say, hey, watch my YouTube video, and basically the higher watch time you get, the greater video is gonna be up, right? So you save this, and Google is gonna remind you. And if you go to more options, see here, you're gonna say, hey, remind me at what time, right? So I actually don't want Google to irritate me. So, but then you go there, and then, for example, say the 24th is gonna start, and then it's gonna end on Friday. Let's say it's just a week, right? Let's say Friday, 5 p.m. launch ends, or let's say, let's say like this, right? Say final day of launch. No, yeah, of launch, of right, lunch. Okay. Anywho, right? So and then you save it, and then you know, okay, this is the final day of the launch. Basically, so I'm a promote heavily on this day because it's the final day. And then you say 5 p.m. in 5 hours time, or how many hours time, launch ends, lunch. I don't know how you spell it, right? So say end, and then you say it, and then you actually it will remind you, and you actually keep you up to date of the lunch and how everything is going, right? So that is how you do. I don't want to be reminded, right? So basically, that's how you do it, guys. So my name is Philemon Shebo. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. So that is how you do it. That's how you promote the lunches, guys. I hope you found this video very valuable, and go out there and start lunch checking, right? Don't think about it. Don't do anything. Don't try to perfect things, right? That's how people fail. They try to perfect things way too early. They try to put everything in place, right? Don't just look for any product. Let me in fact give you a product right now to start. If you are watching this vlog, today is the 14th of December. So a product you can do right now that's launching on the 29th of January, and it's actually already hot. It's 1306, right? So go ahead and create overview videos, right, on the 20th of two weeks prior the launch, right? For like even this product, I'm giving a product right now on Daily Zoo, right? So it's called Parallel Profits. Profits and the process is Clickbank, right? So that's why I like it. That's why I like Clickbank, because even though you go to Clickbank right now, uh, it will tell you if you and then you're searching parallel profit, you see it will show you how much profit you're going to get, right? So you go there, it will tell you actually you're getting 1,248 commissions per sale and everything, and a $2 per lead, right? So every lead you bring in, $2, right? And let's say let me actually calculate for you guys, calculator. Because you say $2 per lead is not too much, right? So let me say $2, right? Times, let's say you bring in, because YouTube is a very big platform, let's say roughly 150 people, right? So you already have $300, right? Just from bringing in leads, plus another, uh, plus another 1,248. Let's say times two of that. Maybe you got two sales because you're a beginner, right? Plus 2,048 times two, right? You're at 3,000. Right? So guys, don't think about this. Start. This is a product I'm giving you to launch right now. It's a good product. It's very hot. It's over 1,000 raw and 700 unique, which is a very good product. Everyone is gonna be there, including myself. Yes, I know it's gonna be a competition. It's gonna be a fun one. So see you guys on the launch, guys. My name is Shilama Shep. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Like this video if you enjoyed any content. I put it and check out my number on the recommended section down in the description down below. And peace!